to wear a bandana like Tupac in the shortest time possible. Hello, welcome to my channel. Hi, Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube babe here, and in our tutorial today we are selling a bandana like Tupac in the shortest time possible. A bandana on your hair, on your head, okay, in the shortest time possible. It's actually a series. You should also watch the other videos and subscribe so that you do not miss out on any. The first thing you do is just pick up your bandana like this, and then if it's on a flat surface, you place it like this, and then make your fold like that, from that corner to this corner, to have something like this. And then afterwards, from this tip you bring it down to this other tip like that. I hope you're following. Oopsie. Like that, and then do it again the same way like that, and then you'll be having something like that from both sides. That's how it looks. And then it's time to place it on your head. Make sure that you like the video, look at the way these things look, and then place it on your head from the back like that, a little bit lower here, and then here at the front like this. Make sure that these tips and this tip are of the same size like that, and then make your fold like that. Your knot, I mean. So how do you make a knot? You pick this side, place it on top, pick like this, and then drop it on the inside like that, then pull. It is as easy as that. If you want your hair at the back, you can always place it at the back. If you want your ears out, you can always do it out. Yeah, you can decide to place it on the side a little bit. Oops. And that's how you do it. If you feel like it's coming off when you breathe, you can always do a second knot. And yeah, perfect. And there you go, easy like that. So just give me a thumbs up for that. Like the video, you can share this video out there, tell someone about this channel, because a lot more is coming. Yeah, and to watch more of this kind of uploads, make sure that you subscribe and click here. So that's how it look from the side, from the back. Don't worry about the hairs right there. You can always make sure that your hair is well laid at the back. So let's catch up here for more uploads. See you there. Here, click here, just click.